In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, easy and powerful pocket option 10-second strategy that you can use right after watching this video. This is the exact strategy that have helped me time to time to achieve up to 98% win rate. So watch this video very carefully so that you can understand it and implement it in your trading strategy to make profitable trades for lifelong. So without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So firstly, you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that has 92% payout. Once you have done that, then just select the candles and then make it as 10. That means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. Now, for the trading time frame, you need to select the 10-second time frame because our trading time frame is also 10 seconds. So just click on S5 and increase it to 10 so that our trading time frame becomes 10 seconds. Now, decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. So once you do this much, now I'll explain you by showing a simple screenshot, the strategy firstly, and then I'll actually make trades in front of your eyes so that you can see how accurate this strategy can be. I call this strategy normally a retracement strategy also because I have created this strategy by myself and it had worked for me for a long time. So the strategy is extremely simple. As you can see here, market is totally going up, okay? And whenever there was a retracement, you can see next candle was green. Whenever there was a retracement, whenever there was a red candle, there was a green candle after that, right? So what we are going to do is when we see the retracement, whenever the market is going up and whenever the market retraces, at that exact time we make trade by clicking on higher in this way, okay? So in case of lower, here you can see market is beautifully going down and here's our retracement is happening. So exactly at this time we make trade by clicking on lower. So this is the easiest strategy. Now all of your trades are not going to go right, okay? There are trades that will go wrong, but overall your trades are going to be of high win rate. I mean, you will win more trades than lose. So now what I'll do is I'll actually show you by making few trades. But one thing I want you to understand, if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then you can join my VIP copy trading channel. And all the instruction to join my VIP copy trading channel is given in the free Telegram channel. So do join my free Telegram channel. I will see you inside it. Now I'll keep quiet and show you by making few trades. So let's get started.